Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Fozia Wahid. I hope you all are doing well, friends. I will show you in today's video online shopping. I purchased these online from famous website TEMU in Dubai. So here are some kitchen items. My daughter is showing you. This is actually corner rack. This is for washroom. You can put your all accessories in it, and this is a selfie stick. Whenever you go, whenever you need this, you can use this, and you can easily put this inside your bag. This is for picnic also. This is a eyebrow trimming scissor, and this is a hammer to make chicken broast. और ये किचन कप्स हैं. You are all know that these are used in baking. You can make muffin and cupcakes. So friends, next we have this is a fruit cutter. You can easily cut watermelon in the form of cubes, just like ice cream balls and any other fruit, just like yellow melon, sweet melon also. And this is a toothbrush holder. I will show you this later. Right now I am opening all these. These are cutter. You can make nuggets and cookies with these awesome cutters. These are for shapes, small, medium, large also. These are lollipop sticks. I will show you the recipe. I will make the lollipop sticks with these sticks. And this is a potato chips cutter, and it looks very nice when you cut potato with this knife. It is a zigzag shape, and this is very nice thing. I must say you should buy this also. This is an apple cutter. So friends, these are the kitchen gadgets which I showed you. These are awesome. I have ordered first time, but I am truly satisfied with this TEMU website. So you can easily buy. The packaging is very nice also. You can see this is a selfie stick. We are using this. Thanks for watching.